Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a problem that's been plaguing players in Demonologist, the infamous mic not working issue. Whether you're trying to communicate with your team or just want to trash talk your opponents, having a functioning mic is crucial. So let's not waste any more time and get right into fixing this issue. First things first, let's start with the basics. Ensure your microphone is properly connected to your PC or console. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often this is the oversight. The next thing we can do is open control panel, then tap on system and security, then tap on Windows Defender Firewall. Tap on the second downward option, that is allow an app through Windows Firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Here you can choose the app. So tap on network types, click on both public and private. Then you can add the network that you have. If you've done all that and the mic is still not working, it's time to update your drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause a lot of problems. So go to search bar and type in sound. Now here you can see the speakers and headphones that you are using for your mic. Now again go to your search bar and open control panel. Then search for sound. Then choose the sound option, which is change the driver settings. Go to recording, then the microphone, then click on properties. And here you can change the driver, and there you have it. By following these steps, your mic should be back in action and you can return to commanding your legions in Demonologist without any communication issues. If this video helped out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and gaming guides.